Looking for the best satellite finder in 2026? Whether you're installing a new satellite dish, upgrading your home setup, or working as a professional installer, having the right satellite signal meter can save hours of frustration. Welcome to Global Deal Explorer, where we find the best tech deals from around the world. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best satellite finders of 2026 based on performance, features and value. Starting our list at number 5 is the Satlink WS6933, a compact and affordable DVB-S2 satellite finder designed for beginners and DIY installers. It features a 2.1-inch LCD display, supports C&KU band signals, and provides real-time signal strength and quality readings. And this meter is lightweight, easy to operate, and perfect for quick satellite alignment tasks. If you're looking for a simple and budget-friendly satellite finder, the WS6933 is a solid starting point. At number 4 we have the Satlink WS6906, a reliable upgrade with a larger 3.5-inch LCD display. This DVB-S satellite signal finder offers full FTA support, making it great for testing and monitoring satellite signals. The bigger screen makes it easier to view signal data in bright outdoor conditions. For users who want better visibility and improved signal monitoring, the WS6906 is a great choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Woopker VF6800P, a versatile satellite finder that supports multiple signal standards. And this device works not only with satellite signals but also with terrestrial and cable broadcasts. It also functions as a TV receiver, making it incredibly useful for installers who need a multifunction tool. If versatility is what you're after, the VF6800P delivers excellent value. At number 2 we have the GTMEDIA V8 Finder 2, a powerful satellite finder designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 3.5-inch high-definition TFT screen, supports DVB-S, DVB-S2 and DVB-S2X, and even delivers 1080p video decoding. The device supports H.264 video decoding, allowing users to preview channels directly from the meter. This makes installation and troubleshooting significantly easier. And taking the number 1 spot is the GTMEDIA V8 Finder Pro 2. This advanced satellite meter supports DVB-S2X, S2, S, T2, T and C signals, making it one of the most powerful and versatile satellite finders available today. It also features H.265 decoding, delivering better performance and more efficient video playback. And with its powerful hardware, wide signal compatibility and professional grade tools, the V8 Finder Pro 2 stands out as the best satellite finder of 2026. Jose were the top 5 best satellite finders of 2026. If you're installing satellite systems, upgrading your equipment, or working professionally in the field, any of these tools can help you find signals faster and more accurately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and global deals. Thanks for watching a Global Deal Explorer. See you in the next video.